Ya termina ya el Best Center para este año del sábado en el gym del Ateneo de Zamboanga University. Por un semana recibe entreno de basketball el mga participante na level 1, 2, 3, and 4 como el basics del dribbling, defense. Este año ay konsentra el Best Center na shooting skills del mga bata. Asigun kun Commissioner Pete Alparo, bueno el resulta este año kay mucha registra.
Well, first of all, I would like to thank the parent who was really very supportive in bringing in their kids, that they really believe that Best Center is the best venue for their child to have and to be a very good basketball player. So this is a 6 days training program, 4 hours per day, and I think with these coaches from Manila, the parents are really satisfied on what they see, on what we are doing to the kids to be a very good basketball player.
El Best Center dali con el mga bata, el Certificate of Completion, ichine también niya dali diferente awards para con el mga deserving aspirante na juego de basketball. El siguiente torneo amo el PBA Young Stars, prinsipyo na fin de este mes hasta na mes de mayo. Tiene a según 10 team participa na torneo, y si quien gana amo representa con el ciudad na regional level, conduci también con el National Championships después.
Basketball na April 30.
Yeah, April 30, another program for the young kids. We will be having this PBA Young Star. It will be composed of 10 teams, and I have already put in 10 coaches to be selecting of all good players all over here in Zamboanga City, and they are going to compete from April 30 to May 20.
Gilbert Manuel, Dateline Zamboanga.